What's up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today we're gonna be installing the coilovers on the E36. We're dropping that thing today. Trick or treat! What the hell? Oh shit. Yoo-hoo! Oh, what's up, dude? Just kidding. I was just showing these guys the new wheels. Check these out. I don't know if we'll be able to install the wheels today because I still need to get tires for these things. But this is what they look like. Man, it's crazy. These are actually not that expensive, believe it or not. I bought these off eBay, so yeah, half my cars are built off eBay. But I think today we're just gonna try and install the coilovers and just drop the E36 finally. See what that thing looks like lowered. Test it out. Light.
I wouldn't say so.
It's like fake 3-piece look.
Yeah.
Alright guys, see you at the garage. I just wanted to see what these wheels look like on the car, so we might actually test fit them. Clark's here to help out. Yeah. Thanks, brother. I bought BMW wheel caps for this thing. Let's see if they fit. It's too big, no. That would've looked sick though. Yo, what's up, Sean?
What are you up to?
Wheels and coils for this thing. Oh, that's so sexy! Crazy, eh?
Yeah, I love it.
So I have a soft spot in my heart for gold chrome. I've ran gold chrome on my FRS as well. These are a little more chromier, very shiny. Black and gold, man, this is a classic combo. Literally went with the cheapest coils that I could find on eBay, and these were like $200 USD. Bracelets? No, I don't even know the brand.
It's okay, if it works, right?
Yeah, man, and then if they break, at least I can buy another one for still as cheap as like a full set. So bad. Another box. Woo! Ooh. So cheap.
Yo, these are like KWs. It looks like KWs.
Put some purple on it.
Yeah.
Thanks, cameraman. Just kidding. We gotta give Clark some camera time too. Yo, this kid's gonna get an RWB Porsche.
That's my
That's his plan.
Let's say word.
After he Pandem gets his E30. Damn. Just hear this kid screaming. Hold up, Chris! Explain yourself! Yo, hold up! Is that Chris? Oh my god. Hold up! Alright guys, I'm gonna show you what the eBay coilovers look like and what they give you in the package. I got this set for around $200 USD, $100 USD shipped, so around $350 Canadian, maybe, give or take. But that's pretty cheap for coilovers. Sam, what do you think?
It's shiny.
Yeah.
It's brighter than my future.
You like that?
Dude,
gold on blue?
Yeah, it's such a sick combo. Yeah.
Right.
It's like a Power Ranger in a way. Oh yeah,
Yeah. That's where the spacer's on, so obviously we gotta take this off, but you guys get the idea? Damn. I'm there. Right there.
What size?
In that day, and
Yeah, but we couldn't go in.
So we've turned the wheel slightly to the right to give us a little more space to work with. Just watch out for the sensor lines, because you don't want to rip those when the brake falls. Up here, you just unbolt the shock tower nuts. I think it was a 13 mil.
Red, what you doing over here?
All done?
Yeah. Just blacked out his pillars. Hey. Sick, man. Looks good. One huge piece. Is that it? That's it?
I don't know, man.
40%?
I don't know, man.
Bro, I think you should work here.
I work next door. Next door.
Yo, Sean.
It was actually moving. I feel like hopefully, pray I didn't break it.
Alright, so we managed to get the 3 bolts off on the stock coils. Now we're looking at it. This part looks a little seized. It's just like rusted in there. So what we're trying to do is just pull this from it, but we're having a hard time. You got it, bro, you got it! Keep going, keep going! Motherfucker.
Yeah, sick, dog. Yo, good job.
Believe it or not, this wheel took us almost 2 hours trying to figure out how to even get that thing off there. I just watched a couple of tutorials, and then yeah, 2 minds are way better than 1. So yeah, we were able to finally get this wheel. But I think I'm gonna call it a night. I will continue tomorrow. Everyone has left. From this point, all we really have to do is install the coils.
These guys?
Yeah. I'm getting pretty tired anyway, so we'll just continue the install tomorrow. Morning, guys, we're back. Check out our new Lost Reality door decal. Pretty sick, yeah? And the numbers, chrome gold. It's beautiful. Let's finish where we started yesterday. Also, LJ gave me a shout yesterday. If you guys don't know who LJ is, he's the only other E36 owner that I know in Calgary, and he's the one that kind of showed me how to drift with the E36. Today we're going to be receiving a welded diff from him that he's happily donating, so we're going to be installing a welded diff into the E36 as well. Let's get it. Alright. There's this bolt. There's one on the other side of it. And then, of course, the one up here, which is really, really hard to see. LJ is here, but he didn't bring the E36. He's driving his winter beater daily, the STI. That sounds good. He's just bringing it in because the differential is actually really heavy.
Yeah.
Dang.
I don't even know what's there. Oh yeah, shit.
A few bolts, right?
Yeah, like 1, 2, 3, and then like 4 right here.
Hey, that works out, man. Yo, thanks.
Oh man.
Installing coils on a car, like when we did it on my FRS, my friend actually helped out, so I was kind of in the sidelines, just watching, hovering, and learning.
Trying to help me out with this thing, but something happened.
All right, so I mean, we managed to get one of the bolts off, but one of them actually snapped, and like I was actually having such a hard time getting it off myself. So turned the wheel, tried to get more leverage on it, and yeah, just I feel like it is a 99 vehicle. It wasn't being driven for like the past 3 years. That's what the previous owner told me. So I mean, obviously there's gonna be some rust buildup. It just broke off, so we're just gonna do a quick run to Canadian Tire to get a screw extractor. That's how I know how to get broken bolts off, and hopefully that works out. Just spray a bit more of this powerful rust penetrator on it and let it build up. Alright. Hopefully that works out.
You want to drive this thing?
Let you try, man. I just got gas too.
But did you guys figure out the problem with the car?
I think it busted oil ring.
Yeah, that's what I figured. Oh no, it's so rusted down there.
Yeah, dude, because I ran it without yeah, exactly, man. And I wasn't thinking that gets hit with water all year round. to take off the coils in the front is kind of pretty easy. For the most part, I mean, if the bolts aren't rusted in, there's 2 bolts on the bottom and 1 holding the top of it together. You just want to take these lines out, as well as this brake line, I think, out of these notches. And then once those are off, you should be able to pull this down this way. But as you can see, we're having the same trouble we did yesterday. We just have to turn the wheel a bit and try it out.
Ryobi power, man.
Ryobi.
Oh shit.
Fuck, it's not working.
No way.
I think we gotta drill more.
Yeah. Get it in even deeper?
Oh yeah.
Fuck. Like, oil it?
No, not really.
It's okay.
Damn, man.
Old.
It's still good though.
Yeah, as long as that's okay. Yeah, can you show me how you did that?
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's do it right here.
Great. I'm hiding.
No, go over here, man.
This guy's dangerous.
Actually, no, because I'm gonna die. Hey,
You're fucking crazy, man.
hey, we got it up.
Got your ways.
Brian Little.
So yeah, you just undo this and then step on the hub and lower it. You could pull the spring.
It's 3 bolts too?
Just this one.
Really? Damn. It's cool. Is that it? I hope.
Oh shit. Step on it. How you pull out, step on it.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, what I do is remove that small piece, because
To do more?
yeah.
An extra. Oh, okay. That's crazy. But don't you need it to lock?
No, because you're gonna go all the way anyways.
Am I?
Max low.
Yeah. Wow.
And that's it.
What?
That's it.
Damn. It's pretty easy.
Next side.
Let's try it. of truth. Let's see it. Yo,
You like it like that?
question. Maybe. You know what? It's okay because I'm getting 17s anyway. But I mean, the fronts are like, that's good.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah, you know, like E36, the way they sit, right?
Yeah.
It's like this.
Oh, it's already kind of like a wedge. The front is low as shit. That's sick. Hey, LJ, thanks for the help, man. Much appreciated, brother.
We really need that welded diff. This is a good spot to take some shots.
I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Never be turning around. Never be turning around. Ayy.
Honestly, man, so no rubbing issues. For eBay coils, inexpensive, they're actually really good.
I know I'm never gon' crash. I know I'm never gon' crash. Ayy. Never be turning around. Never be